want to tell you about the recent experience we've had with Guardian Roofing. Recently, we've had some neighbors have some contractors out to check out their roofs, and my wife thought it might be a real good idea if we had a roofing contractor come out as well. Well, we saw different contractors, and the one that we saw the most often and coming back was Guardian. My wife decided let's ask if they can maybe take a few minutes and check out our roof. Josh came over in a timely fashion within about 2 hours or so, introduced himself, very professional, well dressed for the job he does. Josh knocked on the door and said, "I have some things I'd like to show you." And he brought in his laptop, set it up for us, and basically demonstrated with a beautiful presentation the different pictures he had taken. Over 60 pictures of our attic. We had a very serious leak that would have become worse had we not paid attention to it and addressed it right away. We signed up, and within a week, they were in contact with us. Two gentlemen showed up at the door, and I say gentlemen, they looked very nice for, workers, if you will, and they took care of business in a timely fashion, very clean in their approach, felt very comfortable with them in doing what they were doing. Afterwards, they cleaned up the yard and any waste that they may have had with great care. It was like their own house. Since then, we've had 6 or 7 other neighbors, again with the same problem, having Guardian addressing it. And we're all very, very thankful that Guardian was here. Right place, right time.